Okay guys, merienda na ni Madam. Magbe-bake tayo nito. Meron siyang cream cheese. Cheese tsaka spinach. Yan. Tapos mag-iinit tayo ng coffee. Dahil ayaw ni Daddy, so tayo inom. Sayang din to, no? $2. 80 pesos. Yan. So, init natin siya sa microwave. Grabe, 200 calories. Oh, meron akong guys. Yan, it's so big pala. So big.
Not that big. Just 3 or 4. 4. So guys, we're like 4. And I'm just drawing, that's why.
So, habang nagluluto tayo doon, kunin naman natin yung laundry. Multitasking tayo, guys.
Why?
While cooking, you need to fold the laundry. Ito kasi pag labas niya, tuyo na.
Do you want me to help? What are you cooking anyways?
Ano mo merienda mo?
You said you were cooking.
Yeah,
You're
I'm cooking.
heating.
Cooking din yun.
No, not the same thing. It's not the same thing.
It's
Mama.
baking. Alam mo
Baking.
bake?
Baking is not the same
Hindi,
thing.
niluluto mo naman yun ha.
Guys, we're done folding. I'm done folding.
Mamaya na natin ito
Unfolding.
iakyat.
We're done folding.
Di pa siya tapos. Umumbok na siya. So, 15 minutes more. 15 minutes more. Diba, nahirapan ako. Guys, natin siya. Bigyan na natin kay Madam.
After that, I think I'd like to warm up with something a bit simpler, like shading the midtones of the body. Instead, it loosens my grip on it, allowing me to shade.
Can I check the inside?
But I take your time.
Spinach and cheese. Ang lasa?
I don't know. Taste that.
Tastes like spinach.
Building?
Okay naman siya. Lasang-lasa lang kasi yung leaf. Ay, nanap kasi ni Yana yung ano eh, sa Angel's Pizza na lasa na.
No.
Ano, spinach.
No.
So, yummy.
Mommy. Mommy.
Hindi tinipid.
Mommy. Mommy.
Oh.
Mommy. Please.
Next time, lulutuin naman natin yung cheese lang na parang croissant yung babaw niya. Okay?